Anti-snoring treatment market. By types, by application, by regions. Anti-snoring treatment market overview. The anti-snoring treatment market is predicted to rise in the next years as a result of factors such as an increase in the number of geriatric and obese people, as well as increased cigarette and alcohol usage. However, the high cost of devices is projected to stifle the anti-snoring treatment market's growth. The global anti-snoring treatment market will register 10.6% CAGR in terms of revenue. The global market size will reach $744.7 million by 2027. Key players: Foundation Care, Thravent, Tome, Dr. Tusan GmbH, Philips Healthcare, The Pure Sleep Company. Market segmentation. By type. Device. Surgery. Others. By applications. Hospitals, clinics, retail pharmacies, e-commerce. Key highlights: GSK and MMV announce FDA breakthrough therapy designation for tafenoquine for Plasmodium vivax malaria. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at IndustryDataAnalytics.com.